Hi, I'm Zach Parmenter and welcome back to our log home construction series. Today the crew is over at the house and they're getting ready to install the kitchen cabinets. One of the things that attracted the client to Golden Eagle was our expertise in kitchen cabinetry design. On this episode, we're going to show you how we design and ultimately build a dream kitchen. When designing your dream kitchen at Golden Eagle, it begins at our Design Center showroom, where you can pick out all of your cabinets, faucets, sinks, and even countertops. A lot of log and timber companies don't have a showroom. What we've come to find is that our clients really enjoy our one-stop shopping approach. We think it's better for the customer to see all of the different options in person, where you can test it out, touch it, feel it, and really get a sense for what your options are. We design cabinetry not just for kitchens, but also for bathrooms, laundry rooms, mudrooms, offices, and even bedrooms. In addition to the showroom, we have a beautiful model home on site. Our kitchen design team begins working on that perfect layout once the client has chosen their preferred wood species and color. We provide 3D renderings to make it really easy to imagine what the kitchen's going to look like in person. With the kitchen plan complete, now we'll head over to the house to see it all come to life. The first step is to prepare the wall for the cabinets. In order to hang the cabinets on the wall, we need to cut a groove that will provide a nice flat surface for the cabinets to be anchored to. We specifically design and provide the cabinets to have an extra long side that will slide right into the notches that we cut out earlier. Cabinets for log homes need to be specifically built to fit log walls. We are considering the curvature of the log walls, extra wide trim, even the wiring, and much more. Most kitchen designers have never designed a kitchen for a log home. We've done it on over 5,000 log and timber homes, so there are no surprises. Just as our cabinet designers had intended, the cabinet integrates perfectly with the log wall. Now we'll work on the kitchen island. This huge farm sink is carved from one solid piece of granite. To install it, we first cut the face of the cabinet, and then because of the weight of the sink, we reinforce the cabinet down to the floor. Now we'll install the crown molding on the top of the cabinets. The joints are cut at 45-degree angles and attached to each other using finish nails. Where the crown molding meets the log wall, we scribe the shape of the log into the molding itself. On the island, the client preferred to have a Wolf induction cooktop. In order to vent that cooktop, we needed to run ductwork below the island and run it out to an exterior wall. Now we're ready to install the countertops. The clients chose to have a quartz top on the island. Once in place, they use a seam setter to draw the countertop slabs together. Once finished, the seams are virtually invisible. Next, they cut the holes for the faucet and handles. Now they'll finish cutting the area for the Wolf induction cooktop. While the island used a quartz top, the rest of the kitchen will utilize Corian. They glue the countertops to the cabinets. Even the backsplash is made to fit the curve of the log. On the island, they install the stone. This is the same stone found on the rest of the home. You may not have considered that the stone, the timbers, the countertop, and the sink, they all weigh a lot. And that's why our engineering team made sure to use engineered floor trusses to be able to support all of this weight. And that is one of the benefits of one-stop shopping. All of this was communicated to make sure that nothing was overlooked. This kitchen is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to show you all of its functionality in the next episode. In fact, we're going to tour the entire home now that it's complete. Be sure to subscribe and follow along. Hey guys, one last thing. We have projects under construction through the entire United States and Canada, and we're always looking to connect with high quality builders. So if that sounds like you, then give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.